If you've been watching the AI revolution from the sidelines and want a simple, profitable way to get in the game, pay close attention. Today, I'm breaking down the GPT Creator Club, a membership that delivers ready-to-use, white-label GPTs every month, with no coding or prompt engineering required. But first, a quick warning. The official link is in the description and first comment. Avoid scams. Only the official site gives you secure access, support, and all the bonuses. Created by John Thornhill and Randy Smith, experts in digital marketing and AI, the GPT Creator Club helps entrepreneurs monetize AI effortlessly. Each month, you get a custom GPT with full white label rights, meaning you can rebrand it, sell it, or use it to attract clients. And that's just the start. It also includes done-for-you sales pages, email sequences, social media posts, video training, and user guides. All you have to do is copy, paste, and profit. Why this is a game changer. Imagine having pre-built AI tools with your branding, no wasted time tweaking prompts, no need to hire copywriters or designers, a done-for-you system that keeps delivering value. It is like having a digital product factory working for you every single month. Limited time bonuses. If you join now, you will also get 3 extra GPTs to start using immediately, a private one-on-one strategy call with Randy Smith, a $297 value, the power to suggest GPT ideas for future releases. Important note, you do need an active ChatGPT Plus subscription, $20 per month, to edit and use these GPTs. But compared to the potential profits, it is a small investment. Risk-free guarantee. You get 14 days to test it out. If it is not for you, get a full refund, no questions asked, and you keep the GPTs you have downloaded. How it works. 2 options. VIP plan, best deal. One-time $297 payment for lifetime access to all current and future GPTs. Monthly plan, $37 per month, flexible, but prices may rise. If you are ready to capitalize on AI without the hassle, this is your chance. The price could increase soon, so do not wait. Click the official link now in the description or first comment to lock in your access before this deal expires. And if you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe for more AI business insights. Let us make AI work for you.